Yesterday, we purged our kitchen of unused, unwanted, and unneeded items. Today, we will organize those items into 5 different categories. Join me. Our kitchen is basically divided into 5 categories: food prep, cooking, cleaning, kitchen item storage, and food storage. If your items in your kitchen do not fit into one of those 5 categories, now is the time to find them a home elsewhere in your house. Our first area that we're going to tackle is food prep. You want to choose an area near your stove for this task. My food prep area has drawers below and cabinets above that hold all the items that I'm going to need to start cooking my food, such as spoons, mixing bowls, kitchen gadgets, all the stuff we need for food prep. I also tend to use this area for a lunch station with making lunches for my husband and my kids. Next up is our cooking area. Around this area, you should, within arm's reach, be able to grab oils, the spices that you're going to need that day, spoons for cooking, pots and pans, all of those things that you need to cook with. My favorite spot in the kitchen is the cleaning area. Most people have this area underneath their sink or near their dishwasher. That might be the same place for you, it might not be. Make sure that if you do place your cleaning supplies in a lower cabinet and you have small kids, to put a safety latch on it first thing right away before you put anything in there. In my cleaning cabinet, I have paper towels, cleaning sprays, I have sponges, I have little organizational bins, I have my dishwashing soap, all the things that are needed to clean my kitchen. Moving on to the storage of your food items. And yes, your pantry is considered a food item storage place. Whenever you are organizing this, you want to make sure that the only things included in there is food. If you have other shelves or cabinets in your kitchen besides a pantry, or maybe you don't have a pantry that you store your food, make sure the only thing there is just food. We're not trying to have it look cluttered, and we're not trying to go in there and try to find a spice or a packet of something that we need to cook with, and we have to move dishes or Tupperware out of the way. So anything that's in your food storage area that is not food, go ahead and move that to an area where it belongs. A quick tip: your island in the kitchen is a great multitasking area. Food prep, lunch making station. You can use it as storage underneath for whatever you need quickly for any of those tasks. You could use this area to serve your dinner to your family in the kitchen, and whenever they go into the dining room, they can come back in here and get seconds or firsts. So your kitchen island is a fantastic place for multitasking. Join me tomorrow as we dive deeper into cleaning and organizing your kitchen. Share this video with your friends, subscribe for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos, and please give me a thumbs up.